It's a valve cover that comes with the PCV valve in it. So mine says it's a 2008, but it's really made in 2007, and it has that. Alright, I'm gonna start taking these things apart. Alright, some of my favorite tools. Are these. I just need to get this out of the way. Don't get confused. Yeah, it's that one. Alright, I'm gonna remove these three and see if it all comes out at once. Alright, I got the 10. Start taking this little suckers off. So I got 1, 2, 3, and then I got 2 more that I missed. This one, and here you pull this off. Oh, nice. Trying to get the best views for you guys, so please subscribe and like. Cool. That was cool. Nice. This truck has 310,000 miles, I believe. A little. Alright, got the drill with this attachment. Fucking easy. What looks different right here, you have this hole. Hope it's better design. This one has a hole here and here and then here. £8. Alright, putting this back. My GoPro's acting up, so plug that in and just reverse the process.